All right, guys. After today, this is what I want to show you guys. Basically, um, I'm live. This is tonight. As you can see the time here. You can see the time. This is. You can see that, right? Okay. So you won't think that this is pre-recorded or anything. Most people like thinking those. So this is my Upwork account. Let me go to the home page. I hope this is fast enough. All right, this is my home page. You can see that. You can see this is me. So you know it's me. It's not somebody else's account. So all right. So let me come here now. These are my search feeds. These are what I've searched for in the past, or I save my searches. So let me show you something here. Book cover design. This is book covers. So cover of a book cover design. Let me click on that. Let's see what we can do from there. I want to show you how I work. This is my proposal. I have my proposal ready. I'll show you. Coming. Now see this. I'll apply for jobs right now. Book cover design here. I need a book cover to be designed. It has 4 pictures to be drawn. I'm not a fan of drawing pictures, so I'm gonna skip that. This looks like the same person. Canada, 0 spend. I want the book cover. It must have 3 pictures. This one says 4 to be drug matter. I see your work and felt you can complete the task. Okay, so I don't know what it's talking about, but I'll open it. So let's see. I would like to submit my book, A Literacy Agent to publish. I'm looking for an incredible query later and book synopsis. Nope, I'm not doing that. Let's see. I published my book, converting the doc to KDP file. I need information about. The book is 35 pages and complete as it is. I just need the Kindle ebook, but the cover is complete. It needs to be resized with the final. Well, let me know some rates. So I'm taking this too. I will apply for them, and I hope this video doesn't get more than 5 minutes. So let's see. Paranormal romance, no, definitely not. I need a book cover with a mock-up of a book, mock-up of it on a book. Name of book, Calamity of Business, Super Business for Automate, hardly. Let me take it. But you see this guy, the buyer has poor ratings. 1 star based on 1 feedback. So he has given out 1 job, and the person he gave the job out to left him a bad feedback. So maybe he did something bad to the guy, but I'll take it. It's a risk. So life is all about risk. Excuse me. So need a concise and eye-catching book description. Posted 6 hours ago. I'm still checking. Format and design ebook pages and cover. No. Book cover design. Book cover design, Western. Nothing overly fancy, straightforward because it's a setting. All those main characteristics is the rest is all out on revenge, so I can take this. So see this. This is a book cover design. Design cover of a book for $150. You guys, are you seeing where my see you see it? Okay. So let me start with this. So book cover design for a Western. Nothing overly fancy, straightforward, settings in the Old West. Main character is Comanche warrior. So see him. The client just viewed the proposals 3 minutes ago. So it means that this guy is online. You get my point, right? He's online, so if I should apply, he will see my application right now. Although 20 to 50 proposals have been submitted, but since it's online, he will see it. The price is $150. Imagine that. If you just get this job, imagine you get this job, you've made all the money for the month based on our target of $200, remains just 50. You see, so I've copied my proposal. So see what I'm gonna do here. Book design for a Western, nothing overly fancy, blah blah. So I come here, I change my settings, and how do I want to be paid? I want to be paid by project. So when I'm done with the project, I get paid. Then how long will this project take? Less than 1 month, obviously. I must spend 1 month on that. Then this is where I apply with my cover letter. So I've copied my proposal. I'll paste it there. So this is my proposal. Let me zoom in so you see. Here's my proposal. So it's a pleasure to meet you. Hi, it's a pleasure to meet you. I understand you need so I'll come here now and I say I understand you need a book cover for a Western I copy, just watch what I'm doing. I copy all of this. I copy everything. Copy his description, what he wanted. So I come here and I say, I understand you need I paste his description there. You see, I understand you need a book cover for a Western. You see, I can use this. So let me remove this. So, book settings is the Old West, and your main character is a Comanche warrior. So I understand he's, please follow me. I understand he's a warrior that is out for revenge. I can, oh no, let's not say, I have an idea in mind which I would love to pitch to you, and I am sure you, sorry about the sound, you would like the design concept I have in mind. You see that? So then this is what I'm saying. I gave him back exactly what he's talking about. So I'm telling him now that you would love what I have. So it's not about me. I just have the idea, but I want to tell you, and I'm sure you would love it. So it's about you. Then see what I said next. I said I'll be happy to work on your files. Now this is not file, it's a book cover. So I'll have to work on your book cover immediately. Sorry for the typos. Immediately. Then one, I can have it back to you within few hours of receiving the file. I have maintained the highest standard of confidentiality. All your documents are kept in a password protected folder on the private computer and are deleted the moment I deliver them back. So I'm telling you that your files are safe. The moment I deliver your files to you, I will delete it. So nobody can come and steal your file. I'm not claiming your work, it's your work. Then I tell him, I am available to work right now and also to work with your time zone. This is important because it is night here, but it is day in some places. So sometimes you have to tell them that, listen, even if it's night here, I'll be available to reply your message. Get it? Alright. So I'll be glad to take on your project. I've read through your job and extremely confident I meet your expectations. And then see what I said here. This part, this one. I have been working on projects like yours for so many years. To get to know more about it, you can peep into my portfolio. You can also have a look at my profile to see my review history to give you a fair idea about my delivery. So I involve a collaborative approach that keeps you involved in every stage. In other words, I make it such that every process is transparent and understandable by the client. So all I'm saying here is that I involve you in this thing at every stage. So I am working, I'm sending you updates, so that's what I was telling you, communication. I'm telling him now that I communicate with you, I'll communicate with you. You won't have to look for me. You get? So let's do this. Accept the proposal. Contact me now. I'm available for an interview so I can gather information before beginning the work. That's important so that they know that you are ready. So finalize and kick off the contract. Then I ended it by saying, please let me know when you'll be available to discuss your project in more details and identify how my skill set will work best for you. Thanks. Put my name there. You see, this is pretty clean. Neat. So what I do now is I come to upload attachments. Okay, I forgot to say this. I could say here that, I have attached samples of my previous work for your viewing. See, just tell him that, I have samples ready. So I come here now, project files. I have some samples here. I hope my network is strong enough to have me upload samples. So I have, these are my samples. You need to have something like this. I have animation sample, book cover, brochure, business card, CD cover, flyers, letterhead, logo, merchandise, movie poster, PDF files, different things. So this is a book cover job. So I come to my book covers. All these jobs, I did them. I didn't copy somebody's work and upload. I did all these jobs. So I come here, I pick. You can upload 10 at once. So I pick. Let me zoom in. Is there a need to zoom in? I don't think there's a need to zoom in. I don't think you guys should see my work. But so I picked 10 of my, probably my 10 favorite books that I've done, book covers that I've done. I picked 10 that I like the most. I've forgotten, I'm not even counting, I don't know how many I've picked, but let me stop there. So I'll upload them. I'll pause the video here, and once the upload is done, okay, quite fast. Let me pause. Alright guys, so it has uploaded. See, still the same job. You can see that. And this proposal requires 4 connects. I will explain the connects in a bit so you understand what they are. So same job, see, the same job. And has uploaded the samples. I think I have 4, 5, 6, 7. I uploaded 8. It's not bad. Then submit proposal. Then Upwork says, escrow. Just click yes, I understand, and then just submit. So when you're done, it will load the page again and it will say your proposal was submitted. I'll stop this video here, but take a look. If I want to do for this, I will do the same thing. Understand, this guy has 1 review. This was the guy. I'm actually interested in this job. Oh, see, he has hired somebody already. Hired 1. So I don't need to apply for it again. He has applied. Sorry, he has hired somebody, so I don't need to apply for this again. So it's gonna be a waste of time. So I'll just close it. It's not needed. Then book formatting. I think this 0 of 0 means that this person is new. So you have a good chance to even win the job. So it's online, 2 minutes ago. He's interviewing 2 people for the job. So I can come here to submit the proposal. Same thing I did before. Another one, this is the last one. Book cover needed, blah blah blah. So I can come here. I'll submit the proposal too for this. I won't be doing the video for this, but it's the same thing. I'll go here, copy my proposal, paste it here, then come and look at what he said here. Take the text, put it in my proposal and edit it, add samples and submit. Same thing goes here. If I want a book cover design for this, I'll design your book cover for this. Then I see your work and blah blah blah. So I'll add my samples and then I'll submit. Same process. I close them. I can then come back again and apply for more jobs. So I hope this video was explanatory. Let me know if you have any questions on this or something you don't understand. I'll be doing more videos like this for us to work with. Alright guys.